Namaste and welcome to all yogins here to practice today a pranayama technique. So it's Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. It's a common pranayama technique in almost all types of traditional yoga and common also in our methodology, traditional Shivam yoga. So to get started, let's sit in a meditation position. So in Sukhasana with one leg under opposite leg, or Samanasana, one leg in front of the other, or the Padmasana, one foot on opposite thigh, or if you get better, Raja Padmasana, both feet on opposite thighs. If any of those meditation positions are difficult, for some reason you can't cross your legs, you could even sit in a chair. So no problem sitting in a chair also. So in your meditation position or in the position you're in, sitting with your back upright, head in line with your spine. Always sitting in a good posture for the pranayama techniques. Then bringing your left hand onto your knee in Jnana Mudra, that's your index and thumb finger together, other fingers elongated. Right hand in front of your face with your elbows slightly flexed. You're going to be making Vishnu Mudra with your right hand here. So that's flexing your index and your middle finger, other fingers elongated. Okay, so with your thumb covering your right nostril. So leaving your left nostril open, you're going to be breathing through that nostril with the other nostril fully closed. So right nostril's fully closed. So let's start then together, exhaling through your left nostril slowly and deeply. Emptying your lungs completely, then inhaling through the same side, your left nostril. Slowly and deeply inhaling. So filling your lungs completely, then changing sides. So releasing that nostril, covering with your ring and little finger your left nostril, exhaling through your right nostril this time. Slowly and deeply emptying your lungs. With your lungs completely empty, inhaling through the same side, your right nostril. Filling your lungs slowly, deeply and completely, then changing sides again, covering that right nostril with your thumb, exhaling through your left nostril. So on your exhale, relax your chest, contract your abdominal muscles inwards. Emptying your lungs completely, then inhaling through the same side. So on your inhale, expanding your abdomen and your chest. Filling your lungs completely, then changing sides again. So we're always changing sides when we reach our full lungs. And now you can continue at your own pace, at your own time, exhaling through your right nostril, left nostril is closed. As usual on your exhale, relaxing chest, contracting abdominal muscles inwards. Empty lungs, inhaling through the same side. Expanding your abdomen and chest as you inhale. So you're always changing only with your full lungs. So you're filling your lungs completely on your inhale. You're emptying your lungs completely on your exhale. Taking as long a time as possible on your exhale and your inhale. This is Anuloma Viloma, the alternate breathing technique you're practicing. So practicing then this technique, which is balancing the left side and right side of your body, balancing and emptying, clearing your sinuses, your left and right, balancing both sides of your sinuses. balancing the left and right side of your brain, your emotional and your rational. Balancing masculine and feminine energies. Feeling free to close your eyes if it helps you to focus on your breathing technique more, this Anuloma Viloma technique. Remaining to stay in a good posture, back upright, head in line with your spine. So this one's a good one to practice in the winter time when we have a tendency to have our nostrils or nose or sinuses blocked. It's also meditative pranayama. Like most pranayamas, meditative. It prepares yourself mentally for our rest of our Shivam yoga practice usually, which is our main practice, practicing our ritual, our arti, our 1 hour practice. So just a small bit longer of Anuloma Viloma. Making sure you're closing that closed nostril fully, so you're only breathing through one nostril at a time. You're filling your lungs completely, expanding your lungs capacity on your inhale. On your exhale, you're emptying your lungs completely, emptying that residual air that builds up in your lungs over the nighttime or throughout the day. Energizing ourselves with prana. Pranayama, controlling and absorbing energy. Last inhale. And last exhale. Okay, then finishing Anuloma Viloma, the alternate breathing technique. So now you know how to practice that yourself whenever you need to, or are more familiar with it for when you're practicing traditional Shivam yoga practice. So check out the rest of our pranayama videos in the playlist, and check out some of our class videos as well by subscribing to our channel to see the live streams. Thanks a lot. Feel free to leave any comments. That was Anuloma Viloma, alternate breathing. Om Shiva, and bye bye.